Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you don't stall later. A C compiler on path and the VSCode C/C++ extension. Open your project folder in VSCode and create a main C file. This gives you a live file to run. Next, install the C/C++ extension and the code runner or C make tools extension depending on your build system. These provide IntelliSense and debugging support. Once done, let VS Code prompt to create tasks, JSON and launch. JSON to wire compilation and debugging automatically. You now define how your code is built and debugged. Create or edit. VSCode/tasks. JSON with the gcc/clang command, output binary path and argument so VS Code can compile on save or via run task. Then configure. VSCode/launch. JSON pointing to that binary, set argv if needed, and reference a pre-launch task to auto-build before debugging. Make sure see CPP properties. JSON lists include path and compiler path, so IntelliSense matches your compiler. This prevents false errors and gives accurate auto-completion while you code. You finish by running and validating. Press F5 or run task to build and start the debugger, then use breakpoints and stepping to inspect behavior. If compilation fails, read the terminal errors. They tell you missing headers or link problems. Fix include path, libraries, or switch compiler flags. If the debugger won't attach, make sure the program path and launch. JSON is correct and the binary is built. One key troubleshooting tip. Confirm your compiler is on path and compiler path in C CPP properties. JSON matches the actual executable. Mismatches cause subtle IntelliSense or build failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.